Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. I'm Tara with Piece of Tara Artistry. Thank you for joining me. So today I am going to be showing you a bloom blowout that I actually did a while ago. This one, I was looking through the footage on my phone and I was trying to free up some space, and I just came across this one, and I don't know why I didn't ever post it, but I thought that since I haven't painted in a little while, I would share this one with you. And I haven't really had a lot of time to paint. I got PourCon coming up and had lots of things going on this summer. So in this one I'm using a lot of pigments that I love, especially that Pray Night and Ball Gown, two of my favorites. Waterfall is another one of my favorite pigments that I use with the Shelee Art Bloom technique. Yeah, definitely these colors just all blended so beautifully. I love how they look, and I don't know why I didn't ever post this video. I think it kind of got lost in a couple of other videos around the same time that I filmed this, and I just forgot about it. So on this one, I'm using a new hair dryer there that I normally do not use. And if you look in the center there's kind of a big blob of blue. So spoiler alert, this one is going to go away very shortly. I just did want to show you the blowout, but I didn't like how that center turned out. And so I think it was how I layered my paints. So I went in again and I layered them a little bit differently. So all the same paints, but I just layered them differently in this next blowout. But I wanted to kind of show you the fail so that you would know exactly, you know, what it was that I did not like and why I changed it. So in this one, you're gonna see that, again, I do layer the paints a little bit differently. And like I was saying, this hair dryer is something that I have not used. I bought it because I saw Karen from Waterfall Acrylics loves this hair dryer, and I thought, oh, okay, this thing must be magic. Well, I think she has magic hands, because it's a little more difficult when you're not using the air diverter, or whatever that thing, air concentrator. So you kind of have to come at it a little bit differently, and there is a definite learning curve to this. So kudos to you, Karen, for being able to control this so well. I did not do as great, but I'm sure in the future, once I start really playing around with this a little bit more and have a little more time, I'm sure it'll get easier. But yeah, anyway, I want to just give you props, Karen, for being able to control this so well. So this is part of the Pouring from Coast to Coast collaboration today with my friends Garrick Brown Art Studio, Britt Clayton Design, Chris Jessic Fluid Art, and more, and Maida Pours Fluid Art. So go check out their channels. We are all just kind of doing whatever we wanted today. So this is what I have going on for me today. Britt Clayton is up next. And I'm going to let you guys just watch the rest of this one. It's pretty self-explanatory at this point. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like what you're seeing, of course, always like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video. I also, just so you know, if you have not taken the Shelee course, the e-course on blooms, it is all completely revamped. And it's amazing, you guys. I've gone through it. Not only the first time I went through when I bought back a couple years ago, but also went through it again recently when she revamped the class, the course, and it's really good. And then you also get access to the Shelee Art e-community on Facebook, the Facebook group, which is, if you ever had any question about any type of bloom ever, it is answered in there. So it's a really valuable class if you're a bloomer. So anyways, just thought I'd throw that out there. You can get 15% off the course if you use the coupon code in the description box. So anyway, guys, thank you for being here. Make sure to go check out the others in this collab, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Thank you.